Video is reciprocal identities. Um, just kind of think in your head now what the relationship is between sine and cosecant. Um, and keep in mind that the video number one is called reciprocal identities. So hopefully you can think of it pretty quickly. But basically, you have sine is 1 over cosecant, right? We already talked about that. Um, you could think about it in terms of, sine is y over r, and then cosecant is r over y. So that just kind of shows you that the two are reciprocals of each other. So if you know that sine is 1 over cosecant, which is the same thing as 1 over r over y, um, you could rewrite that and just say it's the same thing as 1 times y over r instead of dividing by r over y. And you just get 1 times anything is just the same thing. So you get y over r. That's just showing you that they are, in fact, reciprocals. So if you can kind of think about how cosecant is related to sine in the same way, there it's going to be the reciprocal of sine as well. Right, so we have cosecant theta is the reciprocal of 1. Well, the reciprocal of sine theta, so it's 1 over sine theta. So obviously, if you have two reciprocals, you've been doing it since middle school when you've done perpendicular slopes, right? When you have reciprocals being multiplied by each other, their product is going to be 1. Y over r times r over y, the y's would cancel, the r's would cancel, you'd just be left with 1. So essentially what I want you guys to do now in your groups is just relate the other four side ratios to each other, and then from there find two products or two equations that produce a product of 1 using those reciprocal identities.